seat. I didn't say I'm going to sit down, but I'm soon to take my seat. We can lay hold on the promises of God and the hope that is set before us. The hope we have in God does not reside in wishful thinking, but in God's unchanging purpose and trustworthy promise that's supported solely by His oath. When God makes a promise, you've got God's oath on it. When God makes a promise, you've got God, I swear to you. When God makes a promise, you've got God's guarantee. But as we come to partake tonight at this Lord's table, I need to let you know that not only does this unsurpassed greatness apply only to God-making promise, but this unsurpassed greatness also applies to God purchasing our redemption. In the text of Hebrews chapter 1, declares that when He had by Himself, look at somebody say, by Himself, when He had by Himself purged our sins, sat down on the right hand of the Majesty, and being made so much better than, or superior in strength, or as the NLT reads, it says, this shows that the Son is far greater than anything else. Then somebody say, our God is greater than any power. The writer of Hebrews wants to make it emphatically clear to the second generation of believers, those who were facing persecution,